Bet you won't swing. Ow, fuck. Man, how do I miss that?
I said shit, stop! You motherfucker, I said shit, stop! I said shit, fucking stop! I said shit, fucking stop! I said shit, stop! You motherfucker! I said shit, stop!
I can't feel my arms.
I can't feel my ass. What's wrong with it? Oh, you motherfucker!
Get a close up on it. Let's see your ass.
That's my ass. There's some over there.
Austin, you gotta do it, dude.
You gotta do it, bitch.
You have to.
I can't even feel my arms.
Good. Just hold on to the towel. You don't need anything else. Let me drive your truck. I will not do anything.
I fucking told you. Did you lock it? Are you sure?